Hello and welcome to My Man the Maker. Today we've done a little bit of a hardware store run. So what we're going to do is go through what I bought. I'll explain why I bought it. I'll also let you know which project that this item was purchased for and then how it's going to help accelerate that project forward. For those of you who don't know, we have relocated to a new place to live. It's called 6B. And it is full of problems. None of the electrical works all that great. Everything is 20 to 30 years old. Everything needs a refresh. So I've been quite busy fixing that place up. And that's going to produce a wealth of videos and also spur me on to purchase things like what's in this bag. So let's go through this bag. I'll give you an idea of what's going on with the contents and explain to you why I bought those things. So first item coming out of the bag is a 2-meter washing machine extension. Now, why did I buy this? I bought it because I'm installing a dishwasher. And the dishwasher, which is a very beautiful stainless steel Siemens dishwasher, has a water supply that's too short. So what I need to do is extend that hose. So what I did was I purchased this extension cord in the hopes that it will allow me to more easily install the dishwasher. So that's what this is for. Currently I'm using a garden hose as an extension. I put that in yesterday, but I just don't like the way the hose is responding to the amount of pressure that's being put through it on a continual basis, and I'm worried that it's going to burst. Nobody wants a burst water hose in their kitchen, least of all me, so I'm putting in a water pressure hose that's rated to 500 psi. That's more than enough. It's like 4 times what I need. But it was inexpensive, and I figured, hey, why not put this in and just have no worries. I also have a coupler to couple the existing hose to this one, which should be a male-to-male coupler, which is made of brass. So that's going to come together and help bring this dishwasher project to completion, because right now the hose is making me a little bit nervous. Let's see what else we have here. We have some masking tape, or some people call this painter's tape, and I'm just running out. I use this for all kinds of stuff. I use it to tag wires. I use it for masking off paint. I use it for a broad variety of different projects, so I got some of that stuff. Here's some pipe hangers. I got a couple of different sizes because I need to do some hose management under the counter where the dishwasher hose is being installed. So I got these 2 big hose hangers and 2 small. Yeah, that's just they're not that expensive, so I figured I'd buy a bunch because it's like an hour drive to the hardware store, and these are something like 75 cents each, something along those lines. Cheap. I got some wire, and the reason why I got some wire is I need it to be stringing together the bamboo fence that goes around the perimeter of our new abode, which we have named Bamboo House. So the idea is to put bamboo in to give it a sort of bamboo look and feel. And we're purchasing the bamboo from China. It comes pre-drilled and pre-assembled in, I think it's 1 meter lengths. But to string the lengths together, you need to use this wire to hold those lengths together, because the perimeter is way bigger than 1 meter. I have some. You gotta love this packaging. They do this here in China all the time. Just use a piece of paper. I got some short self-tapping screws, and that's to hold the pipe hangers to the bottom of the counter. So that's the idea, is to, let's see if I can figure out, there. Yeah. So that shouldn't be thick enough to go through the counter. I'll double measure, of course. Last thing you want to do is have your under the counter screws go through the countertop or damage the countertop, but it should be okay. I might even go with a shorter length. These guys are, let's see, looking like 1.5 centimeters there. maybe 5/8 of an inch. So we'll make sure that that doesn't project too far into the material. But that's the general idea. I got 10 of them, and there's 8. A need for 8, so I'll have a couple of spares. And let's see. And that would be it. I got a couple of washers made out of non-petrochemical products, and the reason why I got them was I may be using them to install the oven fitting. The ovens, we have a gas-fired oven, and the coupling had a really used up old crusty non-petrochemical based washer, so I got 2 new ones. Let me see if I can find them. Here's the 3 washers. The old one is all perished and messed up looking. Should be flat like this one. So you can see that that washer is just used up. Now I don't even know if these washers belong in a gas fitting, so I'm going to be researching that as well, but I found it in there. So I'm a little, I don't know. This one, they're normally compression type, but this one's been bent around the ball. So I'm not sure about this washer, but I bought a couple just to be safe. So that's what we bought today. Got high pressure hose for the dishwasher project, some wire for the bamboo project, some masking tape because I generally just need it and use it a lot, a bunch of pipe hangers, some screws, and some washers. And that concludes this unboxing. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, giving me a like, and leaving me a comment. I really enjoy making these videos, and I want to know from you how I can make them better. The whole point of these videos is to demonstrate that if I can do something, you can do it too. Well, that's it for now. So long, and remember, keep making.